Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today.
Now I lay me down to sleep, Lord take my soul if darkness tries to creep and run upon me like a thief in the night. You better catch me slipping cause I ain't afraid to fight, and I ain't afraid to die, so don't take me there. Fuck it, I'm packing it, I ain't unprepared. Cross my boundaries, I'm guaranteed to get square. Premeditate your death with a grim reaper, I swear. Just like Carlito's way, man, I ain't gonna bend. I'm like Benny from the Bronx, bitch, I'ma get you in the end. You think I'm talking head, you think I'm bullshit, but I got eyes that turn red. In a book that's been written, when I speak, people listen. Look in my eyes, I got intense vision, my oh, so many wise. And I swear I lived this life before, yet I'm still knocking on heaven's door.
Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today. Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today.
If I should die, I ain't gonna cry. It'll be the last chapter of a lonely guy. No more praying out loud, talking to myself. No more doing shit that's bad for my health. I've been a wrong motherfucker down here on earth, but every now and then I pray for what it's worth. Try to set 1,000 prayers, a million words. Still ask myself even one was heard. To whom it may concern, I make bridges burn. Could've looked the other way, my cheek was hard to turn. Had a heart of gold, but it turned to stone. Too many past circumstances wouldn't leave me alone. Like when house get out the joint, rehabilitation my ass. They put him in the ghetto, hope my man wouldn't last. The Bible say he love me, but he gotta judge me. So when it's all said and done for me, it's looking ugly.
Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, preload my show today. Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today. Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today.
Now I'm just a man stuck on this earth. I grew apart and I do my dirt. The song stays work for a thug's pay. I'll be blasting fools just to make my way. When I pray to God, is it all in vain? Does he hear what the so-called thugs are saying? Don't expect to be forgiven for the things I've done. And when I'm not locked up, I'm usually on the run. That's the path I chose, that's the life I lead. And each night I close my eyes, I pray my soul he'll keep. If he don't take it, then no one will. Cause for every good deed I've done 1,000 ill. How many other gangsters just like me, reppin' so-called thug mentality? Forgive me, Lord, for what it's worth, but I bring the pain, not cause the hurt.
Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today. Now I lay me down to sleep, preload my show to keep. If I should die before I wake, I preload my show today.